Daily Math Review number 1. We're going to write an algebraic expression for each of the statements. Remember, an expression does not have an equal sign. So, the first one, the products. I know product means multiply. Of 8 and k. So, of 8 and k. So, product means 8 times k. And you can write it as 8k. Remember, this means 8 times k. This means 8 times k. So there's our answer for that first one. That means 8 times k. All right, let's look at the yellow one down here. A number, n, and 15. So if you just have a number, that's n and 15, we're going to add them together. So n plus 15. We're just going to add them together. So you have n and 15 together. You just have n and 15. That and means plus. All right, next one, we have m decreased by 7. So if you're decreasing, that means minus. We have that m decreasing by 7. So that means we're taking our starting point of m and we're going to decrease it by 7. So m minus 7. And that is it for our DMR. Great job.